Today, I'm going to show you how to replace your starter.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far.
Well, we've banged on the starter a few times, and sure enough, it starts up every time we do bang on it. But the kids and I don't want to crawl under it every time to get it to start. So, we're going to replace it with a new starter, and let me show you how to do that. First thing we want to do is we want to get access to the battery that's down here. So we're going to remove this bar really fast so that we can disconnect one of the cables to the battery, so we'll make sure that we're good and safe as we're working on the starter. So here's what you're going to need to complete this job. You're going to need the new starter, and that has one bolt here and one bolt here. So 2 bolts is all it's going to take to put this thing in. Make sure to use your safety glasses and a ratchet and socket. And that's it. This is going to be a quick, easy job. Let's get started. Okay, here's my starter. And I'm going to end up taking off these wires back here. And my bolts, one is right here and the other one is behind this plastic. So we're going to take off this little bit of plastic with this little, there's a little bolt right here that's we're going to take off so we can get to the actual bolts of the starter. There's bolt number 1 and bolt number 2. Okay, now only loosen this halfway and then we'll go get the other one here real quick too. And that can be found right there. And a nice little quick break and loosen both of them up, and then we'll slowly pull it out. Once you get so far, you can start loosening by hand and hold the starter so that it doesn't fall on your head. And then you loosen the last one. Out, then you just pull out from the flywheel there. A little bit of twisting. And it comes right out. Looks like we still have a few little wires that are just sitting on that one. All right, then we're gonna put the new one back in, and we're gonna put the big bolts on it just to hold it in there for a minute. Okay, so once you get the bolts started in both the top and the bottom part, you can connect your wires up in here pretty quickly, and then just tighten it up. Okay, so we'll tighten up the one, make sure it's good and snug. Okay, then we'll switch to the other one. Okay, so once those are tightened, then we'll finish tightening up those screws, connecting the wires, and it's all done. All right, now that the starter is in, let's see if it works. And it starts right up. And that's how you replace a starter. Thanks for watching. Hope this video has been helpful for you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And now, if Dan can, you can too.